The job description of an interior designer encompasses the planning, conceptualization, and execution of aesthetic and functional interior spaces. Interior designers combine artistic flair with technical precision to transform spaces in homes, offices, retail establishments, hospitality venues, healthcare centers, and more. Their work enhances the quality of life and productivity for occupants, creating environments that reflect both purpose and personality. At its core, interior design is about much more than choosing colors and furniture. It involves understanding architecture, spatial dynamics, human behavior, and material specifications to deliver spaces that are both beautiful and efficient. Interior designers often work with clients to understand their needs, preferences, budget, and timelines before translating these into comprehensive design plans. These professionals are involved in projects from start to finish, from the initial concept to final implementation. Their responsibilities include space planning, selecting furnishings and finishes, managing project budgets, coordinating with contractors, and ensuring compliance with safety and building regulations. Whether designing a minimalist living room or a high-traffic commercial lobby, the designer's role is to bring cohesion, comfort, and visual appeal to the interior. The job description of an interior designer also includes collaborating closely with architects, engineers, decorators, and clients to ensure that the design intent is realized effectively. This collaborative nature of the role demands strong communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and a deep understanding of design software, materials, and industry trends. Core responsibilities of an interior designer. The responsibilities of an interior designer begin with client consultation. Designers must assess the client's vision, functional needs, and financial constraints to develop a comprehensive brief. This involves conducting interviews, taking site measurements, and analyzing how the space will be used. The ability to interpret a client's lifestyle, brand identity, or operational requirements is crucial in developing a design concept that meets expectations. Once the brief is established, interior designers create design concepts and mood boards. These often include sketches, digital models, color palettes, texture samples, and layouts. Designers use tools such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, Revit, and Adobe Creative Suite to visualize and communicate their ideas. The design process involves spatial planning, deciding how to allocate space efficiently, and selecting materials, lighting, and furnishings that align with the aesthetic and functional goals. An interior designer must also prepare detailed drawings and specifications for contractors and vendors. These documents outline dimensions, finishes, electrical placements, plumbing layouts, and more. Designers are expected to ensure that their plans comply with building codes, fire safety standards, accessibility requirements, and other legal guidelines. Procurement is another essential responsibility. Interior designers select and source furniture, fixtures, fabrics, and accessories from vendors and manufacturers. They must manage procurement schedules, coordinate deliveries, and ensure quality control during installation. On-site supervision is often required to oversee implementation. Designers must collaborate with contractors, electricians, carpenters, and other specialists to ensure that the design is executed as planned. If discrepancies or issues arise during construction, the designer is responsible for proposing quick and effective solutions. Interior designers also manage budgets and timelines. They track expenses, avoid cost overruns, and keep the client informed of progress. Time management and project coordination are critical to ensure the project is completed on schedule and within financial constraints. As the project progresses through different phases, the designer remains the central figure who ensures that the space comes together as intended, visually, functionally, and structurally. Midway through these tasks, it becomes clear that the job description of an interior designer is as much about project management and problem solving as it is about aesthetics. Essential skills and qualities for success. To excel as an interior designer, a well-rounded skill set is necessary. Creative thinking is, of course, at the heart of the profession. Designers must be able to conceptualize unique and appealing spaces that align with the client's desires while maintaining originality and practicality. Technical skills are equally important. Proficiency in design software, such as AutoCAD for drafting floor plans, 3D Studio Max for renderings, or Revit for building information modeling, BIM, is a must. Designers must also understand architectural drawings, structural details, and construction methodologies. A strong sense of spatial awareness is required. Designers must be able to visualize how objects will fit and interact within a space. This includes ensuring adequate circulation, proper lighting, ergonomic considerations, and acoustic performance. Attention to detail is a defining characteristic. From aligning tiles perfectly to selecting the right shade of paint under specific lighting conditions, interior design demands precision. Designers must account for every small element that contributes to the overall harmony of the space. Communication and interpersonal skills are vital. Designers must be able to present ideas clearly to clients, explain decisions to contractors, and negotiate with vendors. Listening actively and responding constructively to feedback are equally important to maintaining client satisfaction and professional relationships. Problem solving is a daily necessity. Interior designers often face challenges such as space limitations, structural constraints, budget restrictions, or supply chain delays. The ability to adapt quickly and think creatively under pressure is invaluable. Lastly, a keen awareness of trends, sustainability practices, and material innovations gives designers a competitive edge. Incorporating eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient lighting, and biophilic design elements can elevate a project while aligning with contemporary values. Work environment and challenges. Interior designers work in diverse settings depending on their area of specialization. Some work for architecture firms, design consultancies, or furniture companies, while others operate independently or as part of multidisciplinary teams. Their projects may range from small residential makeovers to large-scale corporate headquarters or public spaces like airports and museums. The work environment is both dynamic and demanding. Designers often split their time between offices, showrooms, construction sites, and client meetings. A typical workweek may include designing layouts on software, visiting tile suppliers, resolving on-site issues, and presenting concepts to stakeholders. Meeting client expectations while balancing design integrity, budget, and feasibility is one of the main challenges. Clients may have unrealistic ideas, change their minds midway through the project, or request features that do not align with the design ethos. Designers must diplomatically manage expectations while maintaining the project's quality and vision. Time constraints are another common pressure. Tight deadlines, delayed shipments, or unexpected site issues can impact timelines. Designers need to remain composed, resourceful, and organized to keep the project on track. Physical endurance and multitasking are often required. Designers may need to climb ladders to inspect ceilings, carry samples, or supervise noisy and dusty construction environments. The job, though creative, is not without its physical demands. Despite these challenges, many interior designers find immense satisfaction in their work. They take pride in transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences that reflect beauty, purpose, and identity. Education, training, and career development. Most interior designers hold a bachelor's degree in interior design, architecture, or a related field. These programs usually cover design theory, history, technical drawing, color theory, lighting design, and computer-aided design, CAD. Some countries and states require designers to obtain licensure or certification, such as passing the National Council for Interior Design Qualification, NCIDQ, exam in the United States. Internships or entry-level roles in design firms provide valuable hands-on experience. Early career designers typically assist senior designers with drafting, sourcing, and client coordination. As they gain experience, they take on more responsibility, managing entire projects independently. Many interior designers choose to specialize in areas such as residential design, commercial interiors, hospitality, healthcare, or sustainable design. Professional development through workshops, certifications, such as LEED accreditation for green building, and design expos helps designers stay current and competitive. With time, experienced interior designers may start their own firms, become design directors, or work as consultants. Others transition into roles in product design, real estate staging, or even media and publishing as design influencers or columnists. Conclusion. The job description of an interior designer illustrates a profession that blends creativity, technical know-how, and project management into a compelling career. These professionals shape the way people live, work, and interact with their surroundings, turning blank spaces into purposeful environments that reflect both emotion and function. For those with a passion for aesthetics, problem-solving, and human-centered design, a career in interior design offers endless opportunities for expression and impact. Whether modern or traditional, minimalistic or extravagant, every project tells a story, and interior designers are the storytellers of space.